To change settings in Gmail, we have to click on the Settings cogwheel. It's located in the upper right-hand corner. When you click on it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you can change whether you want to see the default mode, the comfortable mode, which is a little bit wider, or the compact mode, which is a little bit tighter. If you scroll down a little bit further, you can see there are a couple of other ways to look at your email. The first is the default style. After that, important emails will be listed first. However, Gmail chooses what's important, and sometimes Gmail gets it wrong. So you might want to stick to default or unread first. The unread first will bring everything here for you to be able to see. And once you've read an email, you'll see that it goes down here. Unread emails are at the top. Everything else is down below. You can tell an email is unread because it is dark. Read emails get grayed out. You can also change where your reading panel is. The default, having the reading panel over on the right, looks like this. Having it below looks like this. Choose what's ever most comfortable for you. Since Chromebooks have smaller windows, sometimes having no split at all is the right way to go.